webR demo for you. This time I'm going to be showing you the webR extension that James here made that makes it easy. Okay, so let's go ahead. We're showing webR with Quarto. So now that we have this extension, let's look at what our Quarto file looks like. So we just have, just a really simple one here, and the filter, this is a Lua filter, webR, and that is basically all that I need. Okay, and when you go here, it'll tell you the instructions for installing the extension. Basically, you're going to run a little bit of Quarto extension install extension code, and it's going to get you this folder here with this information here. Okay. So once you do that, then you're going to be able to render that Quarto file. Now I have this repository right here, this one, test webR. I have it set up with a code space. So let's go ahead and take a look at that dev container. Let's show you what this looks like here. It's in there. Go here. Okay. So this is what sets up your CodeSpace virtual machine. You see it's using Rocker to install R version 4.2. I also need to install some packages here. So there we go. Follow this to read how to install more. And then I need to install Quarto. And for my dev container, I do sometimes make a PDF, so I'm installing TinyTech. And then this version pre-release, this you can get rid of this later. Right now, this is fixing a problem that they have in the current version with the preview. So if you do that, won't have that problem. And then customize it with some extensions. We've got the Quarto extension there, and then this is a extension to be able to open files in the browser. Okay, the rest of this I don't need. Okay, so that's what your dev container looks like. And then if we go ahead and let's go back here. So if you haven't used Codespaces before, to open one up, once you've got that dev container there, you can do this code and then just click here to start a code space. Okay, and it's going to use that file in the .dev container folder. I've already got one going, so I'm just going to hop over to that. It takes just a few seconds to start it up, but be a little faster if here. So once I start it up, here we go. I can go over, look at the files, and I have the index.qmd opened up. If you look at my extensions here, I've got the Quarto extension. And so with that, I can click the render. So let's go ahead and render this. See, it's working away here. And there, it opens up in my preview. Takes a little moment to load, and there we go. So now we can preview this, can run that code. There we go. You'll notice down here, I have just some plain R code. You see here, this says webR. This is that interactive R, and this is just plain R code. This is just to show you the difference of what you're going to see here. So here we just, we can't run that code, obviously. Okay, I hope that helps.